How to cancel Gamca medical appointment. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can cancel the Gamca medical appointment. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So before knowing the Gamca medical appointment, you need to know something about the policy about the Gamca appointment. Upon booking their service, you can cancel within 48 hours if you haven't generated the GCC slip. However, please note that they will deduct a cancellation fee of rupees 300 once generated the GCC slip. They won't accept the cancellation request and payments cannot be refunded. So if you want to cancel a Gamca medical appointment, you just need to contact your support team through the provided channels. So in order to go further with the cancellation request or further queries, you just need to email their customer support team. You can see on my screen right now. You just need to send an email to this email address right here, or you may also go through their helpline at this number given. After that, their support team will help you promptly and guide the cancellation process. So therefore, follow this process and you should be able to cancel your Gamca medical appointment. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.